As today marks the 4th UK Employability Day, we'd like to take this opportunity to talk about some of our more recent work.
Social values is really important to us as a company. Matrix is not only a partner to the councils that we work with, but also the community of residents that they support.
Our social value team spend a lot of time working with our clients' communities to support people on their route to employment. So far, we've worked with schools, colleges, charities, social enterprises and community groups. Our workshops are supported by volunteers from our supply chains, who provide valuable advice about the local job market. This week, we were in South London working with social enterprise Ranaisi. Ranaisi run a number of different programmes that support people on their journey into work. Here's what Nicole from Ranaisi had to say.
We had Matrix SCM come down with Venn Group to run an employability workshop. This workshop will help our customers in their job search. With that, they learn a bit more about LinkedIn, they learn about interview skills, how to present themselves, and just the different challenges which they may face in terms of their job search and how to overcome that.
It was great to work with them and have the opportunity to engage with some of their fantastic clients.